Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in mathematics. These are past uh, licensure exams in engineering. And I hope that you can follow the explanations and the discussions to the solutions to these problems. And I hope that you will be little by little transformed into better engineering students.
So, problem 1, find the value of log of 845 to the base 6. So, since the calculator nowadays is capable of evaluating logarithm of a positive number to any base, then you use the calculator technique. So, you just type, you have the key there, log of 845 to the base 6, and that is equal to 3.761. Then by principle, this is either ln of 845 over ln of 6 for log of 845 over log of 6, or log to any base of 845 to log of 6 of any base. So for example, log of 845 to the base 5 over log of 6 to the base 5, and you will have the same result, 3.761. So we proceed to the second problem. The logarithms of the quotient and the product of two numbers are 0.35218251 and 1.556302501 respectively. Find the first number. So let us denote the first number as A and the second number as B. So log of A over B is 0.35218251. So this is in turn converted into an equation. A over B equals, the base is 10. So A over B is 10 to the 0.35218251, and that is A over B equals 2.25. Then log of product AB is 1.556302501. So AB is 10 to the 1.556302501, and that is 36. Call that equation 2. Substitute the value of B from this equation. A over 2.25 equals 36. So A squared equals 81. So that means A is 9. Plus minus 9, but definitely logarithm of a positive number should be used, because the logarithm of a negative number, if you use your calculator, is undefined. But in advanced mathematics, it is a complex number. Problem 3, solve for y. Y is ln of e to the x over e to the x minus 2 by calculator technique. You just substitute any value of x. In this case, I substituted 2.5, and using the calculator, it will give us the answer 2. You may use 3, you may use x is 5, so long as, to be safe, the power is uh, positive. So y is 2, but it can also be uh, zero point 0.5 if you want. X is 0.5, you substitute. Then, by principle, ln of quantity e to the x over e to the x minus 2 is ln. So y is ln of e to the x minus ln of e to the quantity x minus 2. And since ln of e to the something is something, because this is by property of logarithm. This is x ln of e, and ln of e is 1, so this is just x. Likewise, this one is quantity x minus 2 ln of e. Again, ln of e is 1. So this is simply x minus 2. So y is x minus quantity x minus 2. And x minus quantity x minus 2 is 2. Problem 4. What is the value of log of 5 to the base 2 plus log of 5 to the base 3? Using your calculator by Caltech, log, you just type this in your calculator. Log of 5 to the base 2 plus log of 5 to the base 3 will give us an answer of 3.787. If you use the principle, and of course with the calculator, this is transformed into ln of 5 over ln of 2 plus ln of 5 over ln of 3. It may also be log of 5 over log of 2 plus log of 5 over log of 3. So using the calculator, all you have to do is press this uh, uh, displayed fractions ln and log to base 10 or to any base, then you'll get 3.787 also. Then problem 5. Amy board, what is the logarithm of a negative number? So let us denote the negative number as the negative of a positive number, n. So log of negative n is positive, so negative sign is preceded. By property of logarithm, this is negative, this is log of n times log of negative 1. So this is expanded into log of n plus log of negative 1. Since negative 1 is I square, we replace that by I square. So log of negative n is log of n plus log of I square. And log of I square is 2 log of I. And we now write I in its equivalent exponential form. So by Euler's equation, e to the I theta is cosine theta plus I sine theta. Likewise, e to the negative I theta is cosine theta minus I sine theta. So let's just use this. The value of theta should be pi over 2, so, or 90 degrees, so that cosine of pi over 2 is 0, and I sine of pi over 2 is I times 1. So it is I. So theta should be pi over 2, so that it is equal to cosine of pi over 2 plus I sine of pi over 2, so it's I. I therefore is e to the I pi over 2 or pi over 2I. Replacing that, log of negative n equals log of n plus 2 log of I, and I is e to the pi over 2I. Using the property here that I used, this is pi over 2I log of e. So log of negative n is log of n plus 2 times pi over 2I log of e. Cancel 2. That's log of n plus pi log of e times I. So since log of n is definitely a real number, and pi times log of e is also a real number, but there is I here. So real number plus real number times I is a complex number. Therefore, the logarithm of a negative number is a complex number. So that's the answer to that problem. So problem 6, find the sixth term of the expansion of quantity 1 over 2a minus 3 raised to the power 16. So for the solution to this problem, if you do not know the formula for the R term, I want you to visit the playlist Engineering Review Material in Mathematics, in the portion Algebra, topics on binomial expansion or binomial expansion theorem. I want you to look at the derivation there. So the R term is equal to n combination m times first term raised to quantity n minus m, second term raised to n. So f means first term, and the first term here is 1 over 2a. The s is the second term, and it is negative 3. I set up this in this form so that you can also use this formula in binomial probability or probability in repeated trials. You just go over that formula in the playlist Engineering Review Materials in Mathematics. So in this case, n is 16 and m is r minus 1. So since r is 6 term, so it is 5. So substitute 16 combination 5, then quantity 1 over 2a to the 16 minus 5 is 11, then quantity times quantity negative 3 to the 5. So 16 combination 5 is equal to 4368, and this is 1 to the 11 is 1. 2a to the 11 is 2048, a to the 11, and negative 3 quantity to the 5th is negative 243. So using your calculator, simplifying, the answer for 6th term is negative 66339 over 128 to the 11th. Then number 7, if 38.5 to the power x is 6.5 to the quantity x minus 2 power, solve for x using logarithms. So even if you do not use logarithms, you can still solve this using the high-tech calculator. By calculator technique, write it this way. You enclose 38.5 by the parentheses, quantity 6.5 by that parentheses. Then using your high-tech calculator, shift solve, you'll get x equals negative 2.105. But if you use the properties of logarithm and principles, take ln on both sides, take log on both sides. So I'll just use ln. So ln of quantity 38.5 to the x equals ln of quantity 6.5 to the x minus 2. So this is in turn equal to x ln of 38.5 equals quantity x minus 2 ln of 6.5. So ln of 38.5 then minus x ln of 6.5 equals negative 2 ln of 6.5. Factor out x, solve for x using your calculator, of course, in evaluating negative 2 ln of 6.5 over quantity ln of 38.5 minus ln of 6.5, and we will get the same answer of negative 2.105 and many more. So I just present the solution in that manner. So that's it for this video.